5 logical tests for children 6 to 10 years old. You will have 15 seconds to complete one test. Leave the number of your correct answers in the comments. We wish you good luck in completing the test tasks. Let's not delay and start. Test number 1. Which of the figures should be in the rightmost cell with a question mark? Test number 2. The task is exactly the same. Which of the figures should be in the rightmost cell with a question mark? Test number 3. Are you ready to perform the third test? Your time is up. Test number 4. A new test task. 15 seconds start right now. Test number 5. This is the last test that we have prepared for you today. 15 seconds to solve it and you will be able to write the result in the comments. Let's go. And so, our test has come to an end. If you did not answer all 5 questions correctly, then we advise you not to get upset and try to take similar tests again in order to gradually increase your level of knowledge. Well, if you answered all the questions correctly, then we congratulate you. And we suggest trying to solve more difficult test tasks. And on this note, we say goodbye to you. See you in an interesting new video.